how to buy BurgerCities token. Now this token came under the symbol of burger. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the account and keep following the updates about this token. Now as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. Now to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain network. Now open your wallet. I will use the Bitkit wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the BNB Chain network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar, and click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called burger. Now click on it, click on swap switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will use the USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. Now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy a burger token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.